In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to block a particular country in Cloudflare. Whether you're trying to address security concerns, manage traffic, or simply prevent access from certain regions, Cloudflare makes it easy to configure these settings. By the end of this tutorial, you'll have a clear understanding of how to block traffic from a specific country using Cloudflare's web application firewall. Let's get started and make sure your website is safe and tailored to your needs. First, head over to the Cloudflare website and log into your account. Once you're logged in, you'll be directed to your dashboard where you can see all the domains you're managing. Choose the specific domain where you'd like to block traffic from a particular country. It's important to select the right domain to ensure you're making changes to the appropriate website or application. Now that you've selected your domain, look at the tabs at the top of the Cloudflare dashboard. Click on the tab labeled Security. This is where you'll find all the tools and settings related to protecting your website. Within the Security section, locate the option for Web Application Firewall, commonly referred to as WAF. The Web Application Firewall is a powerful tool that allows you to create rules to block unwanted traffic, including traffic from specific countries. Click on this option to proceed. Once you're in the WAF section, look for the Custom Rules option. This is where you can create your own rules tailored to your specific needs. Click on Custom Rules to access the area where you'll set up your rule. To create a new rule, click on the Create Rule button. This will bring up a setup window where you can define the parameters of your rule. For clarity and organization, it's helpful to give your rule a distinct and descriptive name, such as Block Country. Enter this name in the designated field. Next, you'll need to specify the condition for the rule. Open the field drop-down menu, where you'll find a variety of options. Scroll through the list and select Country. This tells Cloudflare that the rule will be based on the geographic origin of the traffic. After selecting country, you'll see a section labeled Value. This is where you choose the specific country you want to block. Simply type in the name of the country or select it from the list provided. Be sure to double-check that you've chosen the correct country before proceeding. Now, it's time to define the action that Cloudflare should take when traffic from the selected country tries to access your website. In the Choose Action section, select Block. This ensures that any traffic originating from the specified country will be denied access to your site. Once everything is set up, click on Deploy to save and activate your new rule. At this point, your rule will go into effect, and traffic from the country you've blocked will no longer reach your website. Before wrapping up, there's one more step to ensure your configurations are optimized. Navigate to the DNS settings in the Cloudflare dashboard. Verify that the DNS settings for your domain are set to DNS only. This ensures that your DNS records are functioning properly without interference from other settings. If needed, you can also import or export DNS records as a backup for added security and peace of mind. And that's it. You've successfully blocked traffic from a specific country using Cloudflare. This process not only helps in managing and securing your website, but also gives you greater control over who can access it. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe.